Welcome to our guide on organizing application code with Angular's NgModules. Let's begin with the root module, AppModule. Notice here we import NgModules from Angular core, a necessity for any Angular module. We also import browser module, which is specific to applications intended to run in a web browser. The app component, our root component, is then declared in the declarations array. Finally, the bootstrap array indicates that app component should be the entry component when our application starts. Next, we have a feature module, which encapsulates all the code pertaining to a specific feature within our application. Like before, we import NgModules, but this time we also import common module for common Angular directives. Our feature's main component, feature component, goes into declarations. By exporting feature component, we make it available for use in other parts of our application. Now let's delve into LoginModule, targeted specifically for login-related features. We declare login component in declarations to denote its membership in this module. By importing forms module, we enable template-driven forms, thus simplifying form handling by connecting the form directly to the components model.